Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Land Rover Defender double cab, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their Mudrunner series, and this is number 4 out of 5 in the series, and I bought this for 249 rupees. So don't buy it from scalpers. If you want any help, again I'm telling you guys, connect with me over comments. I will add you in the group after some verification, but we will help you out for sure, only for MRP, not even a rupee more than that. Okay, fine then. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions, it looks really nice. The paint job looks really glittery. It looks really nice. So the headlights are not even painted in this one, but the tail lights are painted. That is something different. So again, this also has, I think, 3 parts: the chassis and the interior along with this fenders and the body, which is made of metal. Okay, the wheels are actually made of plastic. So it has rear view mirrors as well. That is a nice addition. Okay, let's do a roll test. This is the worst one so far I unboxed in the series. It wobbles a lot, and this left wheel doesn't even sit properly. Look at this, how much it wobbles. Oh my god, it is not even rolling. Okay, this is not going to do well in track. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.